People, you welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to prepare a native oha soup. I have here goat's meat with intestine steaming on the fire already. There is salt inside, so I've just added fresh pepper, and I have here star Maggi cube which I'll be putting inside. I'll first of all allow this to steam very well before now mixing my ingredients with my leaf, with my oha and achi. So adding the star Maggi cube, I'll now cover the pot and allow this to boil very well. So having mixed everything together now, you can see how it is. So I'll be preparing my soup now. So I have here oha leaf. This is how oha leaf looks like. This is a very nutritional leaf, very good for the health. It's medicinal. So when you finish picking them from the stick, that's how it is. So normally when you are cutting this, you use your hand and just chopping it, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Also, in this native oha soup, I am also going to be using here, I'll be adding this pumpkin leaf, and we have here what we call oduza leaf. So I'll also be adding the pumpkin leaf. This is nutritional, also it gives blood, and also the oduza leaf. When you finish peeling them from the leaf, this is how it comes out. So enjoy watching these nice recipes that I'm going to be preparing for you today. So this is going to be a wonderful meal because here is pumpkin leaf, the oduza leaf, the oha leaf. I have my fresh pepper. Enjoy watching this video, and also how I am going to be mixing all the ingredients. Most importantly, how I am going to be mixing the ingredients is what you should watch. Also, in this my native oha soup, I have a dry fish that I'm going to be putting inside. This is known as ukbek. It's a very nice fish. As it is, it looks dry, but when you put it inside the soup, it swells up. Also, I have here my chopped onions. In this blended form, you can see is achi that I'm going to be pouring inside. I have here already seasoned ice fish, which I'm also going to be putting inside the pot. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using in preparing this native oha soup. Enjoy watching this recipe, and don't only watch but also learn how to prepare this wonderful and rich, delicious native meal. Let's see if the meat is steaming very well. Yeah, the meat is steaming very well. So now it's time for me to drop this down. The meat is soft, and I'll place my pot now to cook the soup. Lest I forget, remember that when I put this meat on the fire at first, I did not add water inside. I allow the meat to generate its own water, and you can see how it comes out. You can see the water as if they poured groundnut oil inside, but I did not add groundnut oil. Here's fresh pepper, the oha leaf. You can see how greenish it looks, so fresh. the oduza leaf, and also the pumpkin leaf. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, don't fail to subscribe to my channel. This is Ukeme TV. We also have the Ukeme kitchen, where different kinds of recipes are being prepared. So I am going to be teaching you how to prepare this delicious native meal. So before I put this fish inside the pot, I have to make sure I wash the fish. It's dried fish, so I will have to wash it, and I also add little salt in washing the fishes. Now it's time for me to wash the leaves. Here is the pumpkin leaf. You have to make sure you wash your leaf very clean so that there will be no sand inside the leaf. If there is sand, it spoils your food when you are eating it. Wash it out. And I also add the odusa leaf. Shake it very well to avoid sand. Take it out. And now the oha leaf itself. So you have to wash your leaves very clean before putting them inside your pots. And before also slicing it, you have to wash your leaf very clean. So you can see now that I've finished cutting these leaves. The ozuza, I didn't chop them in a smaller way, in a smaller quantity. I chopped them in a way that they won't be too tiny. They will be bigger. Also the pumpkin leaf, and the difference within them is that the oha leaf, I used my hand in piecing it. I didn't use knife because I don't want it to have a bitter taste. So that's how the 3 leaves I am going to be using in preparing this native oha mixed with achi soup. Enjoy watching this recipe. If you love my video, please don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families, and most importantly, also learn how to prepare these wonderful recipes. Now let's go down to mixing the ingredients inside the pots. So the pot is dried. Now I'll be adding palm oil inside the pot. Allow this to heat for some while, then I'll now be adding my onions. Here now all the ingredients will be going inside the pot. You have here the fish, the meats, the achi, the dry fish, chopped onions, and the leaves. So just like I've put oil on the fire, now I have to take my onions. I'll be pouring it inside the oil. You can see the oil steaming. Then I'll now pour in my meat water inside. Now that the pot is steaming very well, I have to carry the mixed water and the meat, pour it inside. Also, after pouring in the meat, I'll be putting in my fish inside the pot. And also, remember there was an ice fish. I'll also be adding it inside the pot. Then now I will have to cover this pot and allow it steam very well before putting in anything again like Maggi or salt. You know, I have already used the salt and Maggi in steaming the meat and fish. So I'll allow this boil very well, steam very well before adding any other thing, so that I will know the taste of the food, if it's okay or if I need to add anything inside the pot. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like and also share this video with friends and families. And if you are new in my channel, please don't fail to also subscribe and also learn how to prepare this lovely recipe. This is a native oha soup that I'll be preparing. Enjoy watching this video. You can see the pot boiling now. It's time for me to pour in the achi. So I'll be pouring in the achi inside the pot. I'll then stir the pot. And allow it to steam very well now. So with this now, you allow this to steam till all the achi that was put inside mixed very well. So you can see that it's now time for me to add my odiza leaf, the pumpkin leaf, and the oha leaf. You can also see that the soup that was watery at first, they actually had to make it thicken. Oh yeah, now your soup is ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this. This is how to prepare your native oha soup. You can see how so this is how to prepare your native oha soup. Alright, here's the oha soup. This is how to prepare your oha soup. Enjoy your meal. Here the achi is ready, the oha native oha soup. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.